Welcome back to another video. Today we got the Hercules 20 volt USB power adapter. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, to deals. Alright, so we got 20 volt USB lithium ion USB source adapter. You got some images here. It says Hercules Advantage. 2 USB ports, impact resistant, so it is impact resistant with the same plastic as the batteries. You got impact resistance, charge from both ports at once. It says all Hercules 20 volt batteries, dual ports, cameras, tablets, and phones. Alright, we have the device here. We can see the model number there. It says HC05B. Then we have the serial number 36 and so forth. So serial number right there. Hercules 20 volt USB port battery adapter. It said output 4.2 amps maximum. HerculesPowerTools.com. And then on this side we got use with Hercules 20 volt batteries only. Read instructions and additional warnings on package before use. And then you have the model number or the item number there. Seems like we got some sort of hole here, so you could put pretty much a lanyard or anything, so you can just carry it around, probably in your body. And you got a clip here for the belt. Pretty solid clip there. Got Hercules on the side here, well nice. And then you got the 2 USB ports here on the side. I guess you can charge with the 2 USB ports at once. Alright, pretty much we got a big battery here, and we got the small battery. So this is a 2.5 amp hour battery, and this is a 5 amp hour battery. I don't know what this is called, lithium XP. Must be a newer battery there. But yeah, these are the batteries. Like I said, it's this one's really dirty because I use it a lot for my DIY projects and woodworking, and if I do any mechanic work, I'll stick this impact driver in there to help me out. Got some paint there. But yeah, I gotta say I'm really happy with these batteries. Okay, let's go ahead and try this out, see if this works. So obviously we don't have any lights, we don't have nothing. The only lights that we have are the regular batteries from our regular lights, the fuel gauge from the battery itself. I don't know if you guys could see it. We got a full battery there. So let's I got a phone here, put this to the side. We got a phone here, so we got a USB cable. All right. Alright, it is charging. Looks like it's charging. Alright, we got another device here. We got a Braun LED light with the built-in battery bank. And we're charging this one right now. As you can see, it says charging 31%. So it's charging now. We're going to be charging or connecting this device. Got full power on the battery and the battery gauge. Alright, we are charging. So we are currently charging from this device and this battery to these two devices, and it is working. You guys see right there, charging 32%. I'm gonna go ahead and charge my phone, my phone from 32% to 99%, and I'm gonna see if one of these bars goes down, or how many bars this phone will take down. I'm gonna unplug this. I'm gonna unplug that, and I'm gonna see how many bars, because this is a fully charged battery. I'm gonna see if I can charge this phone to 100%, and I'm gonna see how many lines of fuel I got left. Alright guys, it's been about an hour. I've been charging my phone pretty much. As you guys see, it's already 8:52. So it was around 7:40 something when I ended up this video. We're at 90%. I have been using this phone all the time since I shut off the camera. So that's why it hasn't charged in full. Otherwise it would be charged already. But it is at 90% right now, as you guys could see. Yeah, right there. 91%. So I gotta say, it's a pretty good charger. It's fast. It's not the fastest, but it is pretty fast. Let's see here, the fuel, we're pretty much full still. So we haven't done nothing to this battery at all. However, from carrying her around, I would recommend, if you're gonna be stationary, or if you're gonna, if you know you're gonna be moving around a lot, especially carrying this with you, I would recommend you get a smaller battery. The reason is because you're pretty much gonna, this is real heavy. This big battery is 5.0, it's real heavy. So with the 2.0 battery, see, with the 2.0 battery, it's a lot of different. It's a lot lighter. This is like super heavy. So as you see, it stopped the connection there. As soon as you put it in, it starts charging. But yeah, smaller battery, it's better. Definitely a 2.5 battery works a lot better with this, because this is way too big carrying it around. However, if you're gonna be all day at work, you're gonna be several days out of the office, out of the house, this is definitely gonna keep your battery, your phone charged for a long time. I mean, I charged it once, this phone, I charged it once, and this battery is still full. So you could imagine how much energy is stored in here. I couldn't tell you how many times you can charge your phone with a battery like this, because there's no way. I might be able to tell you with time. Maybe I'll try it once with something like this, smaller, see if it'll bring down the percentage. But yeah, I'm very happy with this device. I definitely gotta recommend it to you guys. The only thing that I would like to see is, I would like to get more power source, maybe a regular, well, that would be an inverter, if you would put an inverter. But yeah, I would like to have more options here. Maybe a faster charge, or something able to charge a bigger device with these batteries. Yeah, maybe like an inverter or something. Maybe a different tool that has an inverter built in. That would be nice, because then you can use these big batteries to power a laptop or a small TV or a small fan. Anyways, that was just my quick video for today. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.